If you can see this problem, here we have to make 4-letter words that can be formed with the word that is known as Madhuri. And for that, first condition that is given as letters can be repeated, and the second condition that is given as letters can't be repeated. So if I will take 4 boxes, since we have to make 4-letter words, which means we have to make 4 boxes. Okay, in the first box we have to write how many options that we have: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total 7 options that we have. Same 7 options that we are having in the second box, and the same 7 options that we are having in the third box, and it will goes for the fourth box also. So if I want to find the number of ways here, I will write it as equal to 7 multiply with 7 multiply with 7 multiply with 7. Now this whole scenarios will get changed if I am using for the letters can't be repeated. So we will write 4 boxes. For the first one we are having 7 options. For the second one, since we had choose one option, which means we are having only 6 options here, then we are having 5 options and we are having 4 options. So if I want to find the number of ways, that can be written as 7 multiply with 6 multiply with 5 multiply with 4, and that is equal to 7 6 are 42, 5 4s are 20. You can write this value as 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 840 ways that you are getting when letters can't be repeated, and 7 to the power 4 ways that can be taken when letters can be repeated. You can also find the 4-letter words with the help of formula, which means that since they are having 7 words and we have to choose only 4 options, so we will write it as equal to 7p4.